You searched how to buy shares of FRIEDRICH VORWERK GROUP SE. FRIEDRICH VORWERK GROUP SE is a German household appliances manufacturer listed on Xetra under vh2.de, and this video is educational content only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search field and enter the ticker vh2.de to find the correct listing. Select the FRIEDRICH VORWERK GROUP SE result to open its page. On the stock page, check the short company profile and review the price chart to understand recent activity. Confirm the exchange is Xetra and the ticker matches vh2.de before continuing. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order will execute when trading resumes, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.